Best AI tools for automating your life in 2025. Hi there, I'm Vivian Berry, IT and cybersecurity practitioner, coach, and mentor. If you're tired of doing everything manually and want to save time, reduce stress, and get more done, this video is for you. Let's talk about the best AI tools that can automate your life in 2025, even if you're not tech savvy. 1. For emails, use Shortwave or Superhuman. These AI email assistants help you write replies, summarize threads, and even prioritize your inbox. They save hours every week, perfect for busy people. 2. For scheduling, use Reclaim AI. Reclaim integrates with your calendar and automatically finds the best time to work, meet, or even take a break. It helps you protect focus time and manage your day with zero burnout. 3. For notes, use Notion AI or mem.ai. These tools take messy thoughts or meeting notes and turn them into clean summaries, to-do lists, and even project plans. 4. For social media, use Akoya or Predis AI. If you're a creator or small biz owner, these tools generate captions, hashtags, and even images automatically. 5. For home life, try AI voice assistants like ChatGPT Voice plus Alexa or Google Assistant. You can now have real conversations with AI to set reminders, get daily briefings, meal plans, or even bedtime stories for your kids. 6. For money, use Clio AI or Monarch Money. These tools track your spending, help you budget smarter, and even coach you on your savings goals, all powered by AI. The key to automation in 2025, you don't need more apps. You need smarter tools that think for you. If you want to simplify life, boost productivity, and make space for what matters, these AI tools can make a real difference. If you found this helpful, follow me for more career, tech, and life skill tips using AI and digital tools. I'll see you in the next video.